My name is Giovanni, and I'm part of the Partner with Anthony program. And this is a review. My review is that Partner with Anthony, it's a very good program, and he goes, he partners with people to start a business with you. He teaches people like a step-by-step process. It's like a 30-step process, but I haven't finished yet. I'm on step step 13. It goes by modules, but I'm on module 13 right now. And right now, I am trying to make a video to prove people that this program is very good for you and it can really help you. But to tell the truth, I haven't made money yet because it takes time to make money with this program. So just give it a try and maybe you see what happens.